Welcome to RickRackRuby. I'm Laura Cluvo. Today is the day I'll be pulling all of these projects off of my bulletin board and boxing them up as gifts for my friends. Let's get started. First, I want you to see that after making 42 ornaments for my jelly roll strips, these are the only scraps that I have remaining. So there's very little waste. I've arranged the ornaments into 14 little stacks. Try to kind of coordinate them with a balance of colors. And I have these stationery boxes that I purchased from Uline. They're 7 by 10 inches, 2 inches deep, and they have a clear plastic lid. I will package these ornaments up into the boxes and they will make great gifts for my friends. Okay, I'm going to put the ruffled angel right at the top, on the top right. And then the large angel kind of on the diagonal. The charm pack angel kind of on the bottom right. And then the wreath on the bottom left. Put on the lid. And then I'm going to tie this cord in the opposite bottom corner from the wreath. This is stretchy cord. And this is how it looks. Last one. And so my bulletin board is empty, and this is the end of my first tutorial series. I hope that you've enjoyed it and that you've been able to sew along with me. I know that my videos are not perfect, and I'm just learning as I go. Thank you for your patience. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment and I'll be sure to answer. I have many more original designs to share with you featuring holiday pre-cut fabrics. But I'm anxious to get on to my next series, which will feature vintage laces and handkerchiefs. And frankly, I'm ready to change this shirt. So let's move on. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Laura Cluvo, and this is RickRackRuby.